case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2012, the Supreme Court of the United States heard a case, Williams v. Illinois, which centered on the admissibility of expert testimony based on facts the expert is aware of, as long as the out-of-court statements are not intended to prove the truth of the matter and the defendant can cross-examine the expert. The case involved a sexual assault and robbery in Chicago, in which a forensic expert testified about DNA evidence from a sexual assault kit. The defendant, however, objected to the expert's testimony regarding testing done by an outside laboratory, Cellmark Diagnostics, as the expert did not conduct or observe the testing themselves. The court had to decide whether this testimony violated the Confrontation Clause, which allows defendants to cross-examine witnesses who make accusations against them. The court considered whether an expert witness could express an opinion based on facts about which they are not competent to testify, and whether this would impede the ability of prosecutors to introduce DNA evidence effectively. Ultimately, the court held that the forensic expert's testimony, based on Cellmark's DNA profile, did not violate the Confrontation Clause. The report was not introduced for its truth, and multiple technicians worked on each profile, reducing the risk of evidence fabrication and making the testimony admissible.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.